Hey DJ Tech Tools, Angel here, back with another mobile DJ tip. This time answering a question from a friend of mine. He texted, "Hey man, where did you get that tall folding table I saw you use in your last DJ Tech Tool video?" That is a good question. So I'm going to answer his question as well as give you a couple other options to help get your folding tables you'll be using at mobile gigs up to new heights. So to start off by answering my friend's question, the table he's talking about is my 4-foot folding table that I picked up off of Amazon. Now what's really cool about this folding table is it actually adjusts to 3 different heights, not 2, 3 different heights. The first height is 24 inches, which none of us would probably ever use. The next level, it jacks up to 29 inches, which is your standard folding table height. And the third one, which is most important to us as mobile DJs, is 36 inches high, which for me at 6'1" is plenty high enough, and I'm not worried about bending over all night long when I'm searching music or trying to reach my kit in general. So this table I'll link below so you can find out where to pick it up. The next option, which is really simple and a handful of people I know have figured out this trick, is just some simple bed risers. These bed risers you can pick up at pretty much any store in the bedding section, and as soon as I get to the venue I would prop these guys underneath the table that they provided me, and it would instantly give me 6 inches boost. So that took my tables from roughly 29 inches to 34 to 35 inches tall, depending on the type of table that they provided me. But these things are like less than 10 bucks. You can get them online as well and get your table up in the air. The last option, these are custom PVC pipe table risers that I actually made. So it's just some simple PVC pipe that I have then cut and wrapped in gaffer's tape. But what these do is these slip on the legs of the table, of your folding table. One disclaimer on the PVC pipe table riser. You can only use it on the tables that have the bend in the leg, like this table does. And that is because the way the table catches, it needs something to stop on. But yeah, anyways, instructions are in the comment section below. That way you could make, if you want to make your own, like I did. I use these a lot when I do full turntable setups. So if you want to make those, comment section below. If you have any other mobile DJ related questions that you'd like me to answer here on DJ Tech Tools, leave a suggestion in the comment section below and I may answer your question. Until the next mobile DJ tip, you can visit us online at djtechtools.com. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can find more great tips, tricks, and cool videos like this.